HVAC, as we know, stands for heating, ventilation, and air conditioning. During winters, we need heating to provide comfort temperature. When we say comfort temperature, it is around 23 degree centigrade. And during the summers, we need cooling. So when we say AC, then it dedicates only to cooling. But when we say HVAC, H stands for heating during winters, V is for ventilation, that is providing fresh air. The fresh air brings oxygen, impurities also, which is filtered, temperature, which is controlled, and moisture, which is also controlled. And the extract air. Extract air takes out carbon dioxide, the impurities, the dust, and all toxics and everything. So that has to do with ventilation. And AC, of course, for cooling. The conditioning of air for human comfort. So that is how it is called HVAC. When we say AC, then as we have discussed, that AC stands only for cooling. And when we know that there are units like window AC, which we all know very commonly, so window AC provides only cooling. It does not provide heating, and it does not provide fresh air or takes out the extract air. Same with the split AC. So window AC and split AC, these are only AC. They don't have anything to do with HVAC on the whole. Students, RAC, refrigeration and air conditioning, has been your subject in BTech or diploma or even in ITI. So that has to do with refrigeration. That is, refrigeration means cold storage, the deep freezer, normal refrigerator in our house, and AC, RAC, AC of RAC means air conditioning. That has to do with anything that has to do with the air conditioning of spaces in residential and commercial areas.